Chapter 6, Beezus' Birthday. The children went home. Now it was time to celebrate Beezus' birthday. Beezus put on her new dress. Mom was making a cake. Ramona dropped all the eggs in the cake with the shells on. Mom had to fix the mess. Mom felt angry. Mom put the cake in the oven to bake. Ramona put her doll in the oven too. The house smelled bad. Mom sent Ramona to her room. Beezus felt sad. Aunt Beatrice came over for a party. She brought a cake. When Dad came home from work, they sang happy birthday. Beezus blew out the candles. They ate cake, and Beezus opened presents. Beezus felt happy.